Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about Pinterest Trends tool, how to use it to grow. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Pinterest Trends tool? Pinterest Trends tool is now available for Pinterest users to customize and filter their keyword search by trends, interest, age, gender, and more. Pinterest Trends tool can help advertisers get insights, and this data can help with their advertising campaigns. To use the tool, go to the URL trends.pinterest.com. You need to log into your Pinterest account first. You can use the search field to look for specific terms. Pinterest will show you a history of search terms over the past year using a line graph. Using the tool, you can view keywords that are trending in the previous months. Trends are now available in different regions. Aside from the United States and Canada, you can view a list of different regions to discover trends such as Spain, France, or Mexico. Compare keywords. You can compare search terms and it will be shown in a graph. It will show a graph interest over time. Each term represents a color and it can help you determine which of the keywords have higher results depending on the date shown in the table. From the index shown for each term, you can learn which of the terms has a higher index. It means that more people are searching for that keyword. You can use that data to upload pins that are relevant to the keyword. Below is the related trends. Once you input search terms, you can view related trends below the graph. You can add these related keywords to the graph to compare more trends. View the demographics. As you compare keywords, you can view which age and gender search for these keywords the most. You can see here that more females are searching for these terms who also belong to this age bracket. View popular pins. You can also browse for popular pins for each keyword phrase that you are comparing. Use Pinterest Trends tool for promoted pins. Use the trend to create pins that can attract the attention of your audience. As you discover the most popular keywords, it can help you grow your Pinterest traffic. Schedule your pins depending on the season. You can use the filter Seasonal Trends to discover keywords that are popular for a particular season. For example, Valentine's Day is near approaching. You can use the tool to look for keywords that are relevant to that holiday. Then you can create content that will be visible to your audiences for about 6 weeks before that holiday. This will allow Pinterest to gather data from audiences who are searching for keywords relevant to that holiday to look for pins. Filter the trend type. Use this filter to learn the top monthly trends, yearly trends, growing trends, or seasonal trends. Growing trends can show you which keywords are popular for the last 90 days. Use the interests filter to show keywords that depend on a specific category. Using interests can help you discover popular keywords that are relevant to your niche. If your business needs buyer traffic from Pinterest, we have a marketing app that can help you use an automation app for Pinterest. It's called Pinflux. Pinflux is the most powerful Pinterest marketing tool that you'll ever own. It runs on your desktop. It has the biggest set of features, and no other tools has the range of features and capabilities Pinflux has. It's designed for hands-free automation. It lets you work on Pinterest using API key. It offers complete reporting, which gives the details on each action Pinflux takes. Automate your marketing on Pinterest. Find new buyers and 100% new audience. Build traffic with other people's content. You can get high-quality buyer traffic to your offers. Find new content for nearly any niche. Pinflux benefits e-com marketers. Sell more by targeting the best buying audience for your products. Content marketers can attract more traffic to their blog or video channel. Offline businesses can help you get traffic where the competition is low. Social media marketers can get fresh content to attract more traffic. Affiliate marketers can promote their offers. Product vendors can build loyal audience and generate more sales to massive Pinterest audience. Try Pinflux now. go to pinflux.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.